Ah, whew. Hi guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you. I'm so excited to receive such package today, all the way from Arizona, USA. Yan. Shout out po sa lahat ng viewers natin all around the world. In USA, in Pakistan, in India, in the Middle East, in Thailand, in Indonesia, and in the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Happy good day to all of you. And today, we're going to unbox my package all the way from Arizona, USA. So, guys, stay tuned. This is from a friend from Arizona, USA. So, definitely, this is an air gun parts. No? So this is air gun parts for RTI Prophet. To give you idea. So thank you. Thank you very much sa iyo, Sir Dondon of Arizona, USA. Maraming salamat sa inyong tulong at andito na yung pinadala nyo pong package. Ayan, palakpakan po natin si Sir Dondon ng Arizona. Hindi nyo po nalalaman, mga ka-airgun, fellow enthusiasts, Sir Dondon is a hardcore RTI police owner. Previously, back in the days, nung nandito siya sa Pilipinas, he is a gunsmith, he is an air gun maker. No? Nakagawa siya ng sarili niyang air gun, sarili niyang design. And then, when he moved to US, he still continued his hobby, no, as a air gun enthusiast, at doon very wide, no, very wide range na yung lalong lumawak, no, yung kanyang pananaw regarding sa air gun. So from FX air gun user, and then slowly nag transform siya sa as RTI arms enthusiast, no? So si Sir Dondon, siya po yung nagbibigay sa akin ng mga tips and advices pag may mga troubles yung ating mga RTI. And I will make sure, guys, whatever I learn from him, I'm gonna share it to this channel, no? So ito na. Ito na ba, guys, yung ating package. So what's inside the box? Yeah. Napakaliit. Ayan, yan lang po yung laman ng ating package, no? All the way from Arizona. So, ang maganda kasi guys sa US, no? Napakamura at maraming mga freebies, no? Pag bumili ka ng airgun, maraming freebies. So, yung mga hindi niya na nagagamit na accessories, eto na. Pinamigay niya na yung iba sa akin. Thank you, Sir Dondon. Ayan, ganun po kabait si Sir Dondon. So, para sa informasyon ng lahat, no, si Sir Dondon ay isang RTI Arms hardcore enthusiast, no. Meron siyang 3 prophet at saka isang priest, no. Ganun po siya ka-in-love sa RTI Arms. Moment of truth, magkakaalaman na. Wow. So, yan guys. The Prophet RTI Arms Shop. The Prophet. Ayan. Meron na tayong uniform. Magkaka-uniform na tayo ngayon habang nagbablog. And guys, so this is the box all the way from RTI. Ooh, guys, oh, regulator. Mukhang bagong-bago pa to, guys. Ganda, ang laki. So, sabi sa akin ni Sir Dondon, high powered daw ito eh. Pwede ko tong gamitin sa high pressure, no? So, kahit to mga 200 bars, kaya nito. Ganun nito kalakas. Yun lang, papa-thread natin, papa-machine shop natin to. Oh, ito. Ito yung shroud extension. Ayan, shroud extension. Ayan, para humaba yung shroud natin. Ayan yung part ng regulator. Dito siguro yan. Oh yes. Ayan, mga filter. Hammer springs. RTI original hammer springs. And guys, this is it. Wow. This is the most valuable sa package, guys. So, extra plenum. This is 22. And then another 22. So, 44 plus 70. 114 cc for the extra plenum. Wow. Kabisyo. Ito yung shroud extender. Ayan. Ganito lang naman kahaba. Kung mabawa magkaroon ka ng bottle na 700cc para okay tingnan yung shroud, ito pandugtong natin. Ayan, naka-thread na rin siyang ganyan. Parehas lang yung thread. Ayan, this is made of high grade aircraft aluminum. And guys, ito yung kanyang plenum. Ayan, this is 22cc. Ayan, and this is the another plenum. Ayan, naging dalawa na sila, guys. So, abangan ninyo at makakita nyo in my next vlog pag ikinabit natin to, no? Paano ikabit ang dalawang plenum. Yan ang ating susunod na vlog. Okay guys, so let's continue. Ayan, bagay ba? Okay, so I just want to orient to you yung mga parts. Ito, this is the shroud extender. So if you have a 700cc bottle, this is a nice add-ons to your toys. This will look better, no? Kung meron kang mahabang bottle. So there you are, the extender, and you know, put the cup. So if you have 700cc, your bottle will be here and it still look better, no? It's best with your silencer. And then we have the plenum, no? 22cc plenum. It will be fitted right here, and then another one will be fitted right there. So all in all, we'll be having 114cc of plenum. I want you to meet RTI Prophet 2 version 2.0. Yeah. So, abangan nyo guys in my next vlog. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ikabit tong dalawang plenum, and then a few test fire, kung ano yung nagbago, ano yung improvement. So definitely, if you add some plenum, it will add more power. So this will give me an opportunity para babaan yung regulator pressure. So if you lower the reg pressure, of course you will have more shots, no? Kasi tipid na yung kanyang air, yung hangin, no? So stay tuned to my next video. Always remember gun safety procedures, and of course stay healthy and safe with your family. And God bless po sa ating lahat. See you guys.